In this video, I'll show you how to set a future due date in Asana. Once you are on your Asana account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, you want to head over to the bottom and click on the first option, which is projects. Now, once you click on projects in here, it will show you the list of all of your projects. What you want to do is simply head over to the project in which you want to set a future due date to. This will be my website design. Now, once you click on a project, it will automatically show you all of the tasks. Now, from here, you want to simply head over to a task, and there are two ways to do this, by the way. The first way is by on a list view. And on the list view, you just want to simply click on a task. Once you click on a task on the right-hand side, you will automatically see the option for the due date. Now, on the due date, head over to the right-hand side and simply click on it. As you can see, it is already set as a future due date. If you do want to expand this, let's say you want to make this on the 20th of August, then just simply choose that option. And once you do that, as you can see, it will automatically change the due date to a future date. What you can also do is set a date range. So let's say here on the due date, we want to set this, let's say on the 4th of August, and we want to start a start date. So on the start date, we will set this as the 4th of August. And once you hover your mouse in here, you can set a specific range. And once you do that, as you can see, it will set a future due date. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.